good, y'all? It's Berto, bro. We're going to do an opening. Colossal Titan XL. Safe and Sane firework for 2025. Gonna crack it open and see what they got. My son Noah's gonna be with us doing it. See what we got up in here, Noah. The assortment pack. So let's see. So we got this solar fantasy fountain, fortified. Come on, there we go. Grab some stuff and see what they got. What's that one?
4 tops of fountain and colossal fantasy.
We got On Fire, and by the way, the brand is Monkey Mania.
Some little poppers here.
The ground blooms.
Ground bloom.
How many packs we got? I think it came with 5 total. 5 packs. What else we got?
We got the party up.
Free Fire. Another little fountain.
Lunar eclipse fountain.
We got Golden Flower Fountain, large.
Miles of smiles.
Miles of Smiles. This one's Garden Spring.
Have Rosent fountain.
This cool, comes with 12 pieces, gold sparkler. Some nice ones.
Moonbow show.
Gold sparkler is good size.
And then maple leaf.
Maple leaf, okay. What else we got? We got Majestic Journey, 6-piece. Looks like little canister shells. Let's see. See what we got over here. Majestic Journey. Now we come open up and see. There we go. So you get these little, I guess, fountain shells. It's your little launcher, I guess. You put them in here. Light them and then you can unload them. See? Get 6 of those. And what have we got last, no? Got one more in there. What's that?
36 Morning Glory.
Nice. The 3-footers, huh? Let's see how they look. Okay. Got the knife just in case we gotta crack it open. See how big this one. There we go. The 36-inch Morning Glories. But the only thing about this I'm noticing is you got maybe about 14 inches of actual sparkling stick, and the rest is just wood. So kind of gaffled, but still cool though. Looks like double the size of a regular one. And pretty much that's it. That's gonna be the Colossal Titan XL box. The back of it by Northern Lights Fireworks. And you get a total of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 fountains. Plus you get this little canister shell set of fountains, which has another 6. So that's 20. And then you get 5 ground blooms right here, which we have right over here. And then you get 2 sparkling packs. 1 pack of 12 gold sparklers, 20-inch and 36-inch Morning Glories. Thank y'all for watching.